Hello Sugarplums, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to make sculpture paste. A few months ago, I believe I made show you on my channel how to make plaster paste. Now I'm going to be showing you how to make sculpture paste. Now it's going to be cheap, easy, and super affordable, guys. What you're going to be needing is going to be a diaper. Yes, any baby diaper will do. We're going to need plaster of Paris. We're going to need glue. You can use school glue or wood glue. I'm also going to be using my own homemade plaster paste, but if you don't have that and if you don't want to learn how to make that for cheap, you can buy gesso. And also we're going to be needing a nice container to put our paste when we're done and something to mix it. Now what I went and do, you're going to rip the diaper up and you're going to open, you're going to take the fiber cotton that's inside. Yes, that's what you're going to be needing to make your fiber paste or sculpture paste. Now there is different way to make it. You can replace the cottons that from the diaper with some toilet paper that you're gonna be soaking, but this one it's a lot more step than this one. It's easier. So what I went and do, remove the cotton from the diaper, and then I'll rip it, make sure I have like no bump or anything in it, and then you're gonna go ahead and start making it. Now the measurement is gonna be a 1-to-1 ratio. Now I'm just gonna be making a little bit, so I'm making a 1 tablespoon with the cotton fiber, and so you're gonna do 1 tablespoon of the cotton and 1 tablespoon of the glue. Again, you can use a white glue or you can use the wood glue or PVA glue, whatever glue that you have. It's perfectly fine. You can use those glue. Now what you're gonna be doing, guys, the most important part of it is mixing. You have to mix the cotton with the glue for at least 3 minutes. I'll say you have to mix it until you have a nice soft and smooth paste. Now the cotton fiber is gonna be what's gonna make your paste have like that, you know, fiber look, that cotton look, sort of. I don't know how to explain it, but once you do that, I'm gonna take another 1 tablespoon of my homemade plaster or textured paste and I'm gonna add to that. Again, guys, if you don't want to learn how to make that, you can use store-bought gesso, or you can go and click here on my this video and learn how to make this also for super cheap and super easy. And once you go and add your paste to it, you're gonna mix it again for at least another 3 minutes, and then once you mix it, you're gonna have a nice consistency of a paste, and that's it. You are done. You're gonna take that paste, you're gonna put it in a very nice clear container. I love to make I like to do glass, but you can put it like in a, you know, anything that have a lid that's gonna be tight seal, you can put that in it. It's gonna be fine. Now you can store that paste for up to 1 month. 1 month, guy, you can store that. So now I'm pretty sure you'll be like, oh well, this is not sculpture paste, it's like too like, you know, sticky and stuff like this. That's the point. The space you're gonna store, and whenever you want to use your paste and ready to use it, now you're gonna be adding your dry powder to it. And for powder, guys, today I'm using plaster of Paris, but you can also use like baby powder, the one that's like talcum. You can also use marble dust, or you can use ceramic powder or chalk powder. So you have a lot of options to use for your powder. So all you're gonna be doing, you're gonna take your paste, put it down on, you know, whatever you're gonna mix it, and then you're gonna start adding your powder gradually until you satisfy with the texture or the hardness, or you know, you want your paste to be. Depending on what you're creating, you're gonna be adding more powder, and depending on how you want to, you know, sculpt your piece, you're gonna be adding less powder. This part is gonna be up to you, because you know, you're gonna add the paste, the powder to the paste until you're satisfied. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start with 1 spoon, and as you guys can see, this I'm gonna be adding the paste more and more until I'm satisfied. So I will be doing a 1-to-1 ratio first, and then I'm gonna be adding powder until I'm satisfied. Now You also can add color in it, and these things take color beautifully. I'm gonna be showing you how beautiful the colors mix in them. So what I like to do is I add more powder, and then until I'm satisfied to how my paste is, I'm gonna go ahead and add my colors. And once you add the color in it, I'm gonna go and keep adding powder until I'm completely satisfied and my paste is not sticky or anything like this. And then I'm gonna go and start sculpting my piece. Now, I am not good at doing palette flower 3D sculpturing, guys. I wish I was. Like, people make it look so easy when they do it. I am still not good. I'm still trying to learn how to make, you know, fancy palette 3D flowers. But I'm good at doing sculpture, you know, base, you know, build it up until I have a 3D sculpture. So this is what I'm going to be doing right now. As you can see, I add a beautiful purple color in this one, and then I keep adding more powder until I'm satisfied with the paste, the consistency of the paste. And later on, I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be adding more colors into this one to change the colors, and I'm going to go ahead and start showing you how I use it, how it's going to be looking. Now, I went with my plaster paste that I made, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it as a base. And as you can see, I'm doing white, and then I'm gonna go and add a little bit of the color directly on the canvas, and then we're gonna go ahead and set up a base to be nice and neat on the canvas, so that way we don't have the flower directly on the canvas, but we have, like, you know, something that's gonna be nice for the background itself. Now, I'm gonna go ahead, and once I put my paste down on the canvas, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding more of the colors that I have. Now, I'm showing you the consistency that I want my paste to be, but like I said, this part is gonna be up to you. The more powder you're gonna add, the more, you know, less sticky your paste is gonna be. And if you find that you add more powder that you want it to be, you can add more paste. And if you find it's more sticky than you want it to be, you just add more powder. It's super easy, and I'm showing you guys that you can go crazy with the colors. It's gonna take colors just like if it's a store-bought paste, but it's extremely way cheaper than it, guys. And I use this all the time, guys, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be super beautiful. You can create like the most beautiful paste on it. Now, I'm showing you guys, I'm gonna be creating like a 3D flower upward from the canvas, and I'm showing you how I do mine, because like I say, I am not good on doing palette flower 3D painting. But you know, if you are good, I really admire you guys. You have no idea. So I'm just gonna go ahead and build my flower up to my canvas like this, and then I'm gonna be showing you what it's gonna be looking like once it's almost dry, because I didn't let it, you have to wait at least 2 or 3 days for this to be completely dry. And remember, guys, your paste, you can keep it up to 1 month, and make sure you do not add the powder in your paste if you wanna store it. If you wanna store your paste, just leave it like this, and then whenever you're ready to use it, you're gonna add the powder. And again, for powder, you can use Plaster of Paris, you can use the talcum powder, marble dust, ceramic powder, or chalk powder. So it's up to you. And as for the plaster paste, you can use my own homemade plaster paste if you click on the video on the description box below or at the end of the video, or you can use a store-bought gesso. So guys, that's it for the video for today. And if you want, guys, you can just go ahead and check more DIY on my channel. I have many DIY for you to check, and you're gonna be loving. Also, guys, if you're new to my channel, please do me a favor and click on the subscribe button, like this video if you want to share it with your friend and family, and also make sure you have your notification bell so you can be notified on all my new video. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate that, guys. Until then, guys, I'll see you on another video very soon. I love you guys, and you know the drill. As always, be blessed and stay blessed. Bye. I love you. Mwah.